To set up the Phantom Wallet mobile app, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create New Wallet to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to create a password and confirm it to secure your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a safe place. Next, you will see a list of options to configure your wallet, including the option to create a new wallet, restore an existing wallet, or connect to a hardware wallet. Select Create New Wallet to proceed with the setup. The app will then generate a recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, as it is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or lose your device. After you have written down the recovery phrase, the app will prompt you to verify it by selecting the words in the correct order. This is a security measure to ensure that you have correctly written down the recovery phrase. Once you have verified the recovery phrase, your wallet will be set up and you will be taken to the main dashboard. From here, you can view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrency, and manage your wallet settings. To add a cryptocurrency to your wallet, tap on the Add Token button and select the cryptocurrency you want to add. You can then view the cryptocurrency's balance and transaction history, and send and receive it to and from other wallets. To send cryptocurrency, tap on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount before confirming the transaction. To receive cryptocurrency, tap on the Receive button and share your wallet address with the sender. You can also generate a QR code that the sender can scan to send cryptocurrency to your wallet. It is essential to keep your wallet and recovery phrase safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. Make sure to use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and store your recovery phrase in a safe place.